When I was 14, I started buying or I started getting some products from my grandfather. मैं जो भी हूँ या मैं कुछ भी हूँ, that is due to Beat All Sports, because starting में उन्होंने हमें support किया. We started Taika. Taika means group of people which wants to fly high. Top 3 horse polo players in the world are using this.
Wow.
And hopefully this market will expand for us very fast. To beat China is not easy cake. But yes, we have taken some business out of China. We are trying slowly, but we can't say next year or next 2 years or Modi ji can beat China. Modi ji can give us a good framework, but we all Indians have to perform well. Then only can we beat China.
हेलो एवरीवन, यू आर वाचिंग ट्रू स्कूप और मैं हूं परिना। आज मैं आपको ऐसे एक टॉप लीडिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर से मिलवाने वाली हूं, मिस्टर राजन कोहली, जो कि बहुत पॉजिटिव हैं और जाने माने एंटरप्रेन्योर हैं। साथ ही साथ मैं कंपनी के बारे में बात करूं सो टाइका एक ऐसी कंपनी है जो कि गारमेंट्स बैग्स में डील करती है और ज़्यादा इनके बारे में जानकारी मैं बाद में दूंगी, लेकिन मैं बताना चाहती हूँ कि सर का योगदान IPL टीम के प्लेयर्स के क्लोथिंग में भी है इस कंपनी का। सो आई वेलकम यू सर।
Thank you.
सर, शुरुआत में आपकी जर्नी से करना चाहती हूँ। जैसे कि हमने बात की कि IPL क्लोथिंग का भी जो है हिस्सा है टाइका की कंपनी का। सो शुरुआत कैसे हुई आपकी जर्नी की?
When I was 14, I started buying or I started getting some products from my grandfather.
Okay.
So at that time there was kids playing on the college grounds, schools everywhere. So one fine day, I took two bats and I was riding a bicycle and bicycle का जो पीछे का मेरे को आज भी याद है, जो पीछे का एक टायर के ऊपर एक कवर होता था, वो टक 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 करके बजता होता था। पुराने ज़माने में वो स्क्रू खराब हो जाता था। सो मैं एक ग्राउंड में गया एंड पीपल दे वर नोइंग मी दैट आई एम फ्रॉम ए स्पोर्ट्स फैमिली। सो उन्होंने पूछा क्या बैट को आपको बेचना है? तो मेरे दिमाग से निकल गया यस, व्हाट इज़ द कॉस्ट? मैंने कहा 80 रुपये। सो उन दिनों में लोगों के पास पैसे नहीं होते थे, किसी के पास 5 रुपये होते थे, किसी के पास 2 रुपये 50। सो आई गॉट 76 समथिंग। तो मैंने एक बैट उस दिन बेच दिया। नेक्स्ट डे आई सोल्ड द सेकंड बैट सेम वे 84 रुपीज़ में। सो आई वेंट टू बैक टू माई ग्रैंड फादर फैक्ट्री। आई गेव हिम 120 रुपीज़। सो ही कॉल्ड मी, ओए क्या बेचा, क्या ये काहे के पैसे हैं? मैंने कहा बाबूजी वो 2 बैट थे उसके पैसे हैं। बट मैंने उन्हें कभी बताया नहीं कि मैंने वो बैट जो आपको 120 दिए पर मैंने ज़्यादा में बेचे। सो दैट वाज स्टार्ट ऑफ माई कैरियर यू कैन से। एंड स्लोली आई स्टार्टेड बाइंग different things from my grandfather's factory, my dad's factory, and I was always making money. I was 14 then. My real company Ark International started in 1981. फिर हम लोग आप सबको पता होगा कि बीट ऑल स्पोर्ट्स BAS एक बहुत बड़ी कंपनी है। आज मैं जो भी हूँ या मैं कुछ भी हूँ, दैट इज़ ड्यू टू बीट ऑल स्पोर्ट्स, बिकॉज स्टार्टिंग में उन्होंने हमें सपोर्ट किया, जो कुछ भी हमने बनाया उनको बेचा। एंड स्लोली वी स्टार्टेड अ ब्रांड कॉल्ड रक्षक इन 1984. I was supplying to my grandfather. I was selling my brand. 1990, I met a guy, German guy in Delhi, Thomas Kille. We started TK hockey sticks. 15-20 years we did with TK. Everything was exported to Germany. Our eye changed from an Indian eye to a German eye, and little bit we learned from him every day till the last date. In 1916 we started Taika. Taika means group of people which wants to fly high. In my group now, my wife, my daughter Sonal Kohli, which is now the backbone of the company, as my son is having, and we have another company which my son is running independently, you know, Shrey Helmets. But this company is being taken care of by my daughter Sonal Kohli. She is designer, she is talking to customer, and she is backbone behind the company, and she will take over after I am retired. So we started Taika. We met somebody as a German eye. We met one guy in Delhi. He was looking for suppliers for IPL. So first year we don't get the logo because we had no idea, and to go into the IPL it was not our cake. We were too small for IPL because all the big guys were there. But next year we said we will only make the products if we get our logo on it. So slowly we got Kings 11 Punjab for 6 years. We did Gujarat, and now we are doing Sunrisers Hyderabad. at least 3 to 4 years.
So,
So it is a journey. We are learning every day. We are not perfect. We have to learn till the last minute, and we have to innovate things.
right. So इस साल आपने सनराइजर्स हैदराबाद के लिए किया है?
Yes, Sunrisers Hyderabad.
तो डिज़ाइनिंग जो होती है वो किसकी तरफ से की जाती है?
Designing is more or less on IPL comes from the teams, but we give us our inputs also, and then the team management decided that what kind of because it is all commercial logos and all everything is on sale. So
Right.
this comes from IPL management, team management.
Right. So what is the speciality of Taika that people prefer, buying clothes from here, especially if I talk about IPL team players?
Actually, we try to deliver what they want.
Right.
We are a custom made company. If you want anything, or maybe sometimes we are also delivering yesterday. There is no watch. Sometimes we are working 24 hours. So and it is good wishes of our customers.
Right.
We do make mistakes, but we try to rectify it very fast.
So what all challenges have you faced during this whole journey?
Without challenge, you cannot achieve anything.
बिल्कुल.
If there is no problem, then you are same like everybody.
Right.
There were challenges. There will be challenges, but you have to move on. So I'm trying to move on in my journey. I am 57, but I still feel like 33, and I will still try to work another 20 years if
Right.
I'm fit.
राइट दैट इज़ रियली नाइस ऑफ यू. थोड़ा सा हेलमेट जो सामने पड़े हैं उसके बारे में आप बता रहे थे, तो अगर आप बता सकें ऑडियंस को.
These helmets, it took us 2 years to develop. This is the first horse polo helmet made in India, and we are marketing under the name of Instinct. This company, I am a shareholder and one of the English guys shareholder. He is developing the product. We are manufacturing it here, and this is being sold in England and rest of the world. This is a top class product. By the grace of God, first year, top 3 horse polo players in the world are using this.
Wow.
And hopefully this market will expand for us very fast.
दैट इज़ रियली नाइस. अब थोड़ा सा और मैं आपसे बात करना चाहूँगी कि IPL हो गया, अब ये भी एक नई चीज़ है जो आप कर रहे हो और शायद पहले नहीं हुई है. सो इसका आइडिया आया कैसे?
Again, you have to do. I always try to do things differently. Whenever I start my journey, I was always looking ki if China can do it or if white people can do it, why we can't do it.
Right.
So this was being made in Argentina or England. Cheaper helmets were being made in India, but they were not passing all the standards. So we try to do something that, as a proud Indian, we should make something better in India. That is the.
So how has the pandemic affected the industry?
It has affected everybody. We are also affected, and we are more affected because we are in garment and shoe business. This is the last to come. Unless kids go out to play, colleges are not open. Nobody will buy a new shirt nowadays. So we are really affected. But what can we do? We have to again move on. So we are trying to.
बात अगर मैं आपसे करूँ चाइना की, राइट, सो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में जनरली चाइना का काफ़ी हाथ होता है, लेकिन अब जो प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो है उसको देखकर डू यू फील कि यस इंडिया को प्रेफरेंस दिया जाएगा और दिया जा रहा है?
I think we are expecting too much too fast. Reality is, we can beat China, but it will take time, and we should be very honest. To beat China is not easy cake. But yes, we have taken some business out of China. We are trying slowly, but we can't say next year or next 2 years, so Modi ji can beat China. Modi ji can give us a good framework, but we all Indians have to perform well. Then only can we beat China.
Right. So any message you would like to give to the young entrepreneurs?
I can only say try to do your best, just leave it to the God, and everything will be fine.
Thank you so much sir, it was lovely having you here. Thank you so much. और आप लोग भी बने रहिए ट्रू स्कूप के साथ और वीडियोस के साथ, हम फिर हाजिर होंगे.